Remember the robots in movies? They seemed so far away. Guess what? The future is now. AI, or artificial intelligence, is changing everything. It's like having a super smart assistant. AI can learn, think, and even make decisions. Marketing is changing too. AI is making it smarter and faster. Imagine sending the perfect message at the perfect time. That's the power of AI in marketing. This isn't just for big companies. Even small businesses can use AI. It's becoming more affordable every day, so get ready. The world of marketing is about to get a whole lot more exciting. But before we get started, please take a moment and subscribe to this channel. It will help me a lot. Also, please like and make a comment. Thanks. Imagine having a marketing team that works 24/7, tirelessly and efficiently. That's what AI tools can do for you. They never sleep, never take breaks, and are always ready to assist. These advanced tools help you understand your customers better by providing deep insights. They analyze vast amounts of data and find patterns that would be impossible for humans to detect. With AI, you can say goodbye to guesswork and make data-driven decisions with confidence. You'll know exactly what your customers want, when they want it, and how they want it. AI can even predict their next move, helping you stay one step ahead. This means more sales, increased customer satisfaction, and a stronger relationship with your audience. From creating engaging content to managing complex ad campaigns, AI tools are here to help streamline your efforts. They can even automate repetitive tasks, like sending personalized emails, saving you valuable time. This frees up your time so you can focus on the big picture, strategizing and planning for future growth. Think of AI as your new marketing buddy, always ready to lend a helping hand and take your marketing to the next level. Have you ever received an email that felt like it was written just for you? That's personalization. AI makes this possible on a large scale. It analyzes customer data, like browsing history and past purchases. With this information, AI creates personalized experiences. These could be tailored product recommendations or targeted ads. People love personalized experiences. It makes them feel special. When you give people what they want, they're more likely to buy. Personalization isn't just about increasing sales. It's also about building strong relationships with your customers. Section 4. Data, data, everywhere. Data is the fuel that powers AI, driving its capabilities and enhancing its performance. The more data you have, the smarter your AI becomes, learning and evolving with each new piece of information. But don't worry, you don't need to be a data scientist to use AI effectively in your work or personal projects. There are numerous tools available that simplify data analysis, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. AI can uncover hidden patterns in your data, revealing insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. This helps you understand customer behavior better, allowing you to tailor your strategies to meet their needs more effectively. You'll learn what works and what doesn't, gaining valuable insights into your operations and strategies. This means you can make better, more informed decisions for your business, leading to improved outcomes and success. For example, AI can tell you which marketing channels are most effective, helping you allocate your resources more efficiently. It can also identify your most profitable customer segments, allowing you to focus your efforts where they will have the greatest impact. Data analysis with AI gives you a clear advantage in the market, helping you stay ahead of the competition and achieve your goals. Section 5. AI is talking to your customers. Have you ever chatted with a chatbot on a website? That's AI in action. Chatbots are becoming increasingly common. They can answer questions, provide support, and even process orders. AI-powered chatbots offer instant customer service. They're available 24/7, unlike human agents. This improves customer satisfaction and loyalty. Chatbots are also learning to sound more human. They can understand and respond to natural language. This makes interactions feel more personal and engaging. In the future, we can expect even more sophisticated AI-powered customer interactions. Section 6. The future of marketing is now. Welcome to a new era where technology and creativity merge seamlessly. AI is evolving at an incredible pace, transforming the way we approach marketing. The future of marketing is exciting. With each passing day, new innovations are reshaping the landscape. Imagine AI creating entire marketing campaigns from start to finish, analyzing data, and predicting trends with pinpoint accuracy, or using augmented reality to give customers immersive experiences, making them feel part of the brand story. Voice search optimization will become crucial as more people use voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. AI will play a key role in optimizing content for voice, ensuring that your brand is heard loud and clear. The possibilities are limitless. One thing is for sure, AI is here to stay. It will be integrated into every aspect of marketing strategies. Embrace the power of AI and watch your marketing soar to new heights. It's not just about keeping up, it's about leading the way. The future is bright and it's powered by AI. Get ready to revolutionize your marketing approach and achieve unprecedented success. For more information about successfully marketing while on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a prosperous day.